In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust audio in Google Meet. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into the address bar and then joining or starting the meeting you need. Once you are in the Meet page, take a moment to confirm that your computer is actually playing sound. If you are using a headset, make sure it is plugged in securely, or if it is wireless, confirm it is connected and turned on. Next, if you need a quick volume change, you can adjust the audio manually on your headset or your speakers. Many headsets have physical volume buttons or a small wheel on the cable. External speakers often have a knob or buttons on the front or side. This is the fastest option when the meeting is already in progress, because it changes what you hear immediately without digging through menus. As you adjust, listen for a comfortable level that is loud enough to understand people clearly, but not so loud that it becomes harsh or distorted. As a practical tip, if the audio still seems low or unclear after changing your headset or speaker volume, check your device volume at the operating system level as well. Sometimes the computer volume is turned down even when the headset volume is up. Also, if you are switching between a headset and built-in speakers, give your computer a moment to route the sound to the correct device. Once your volume feels balanced and you can hear voices clearly, you are set to continue your call without distractions. That covers everything you need to know.